10 trotters ready for a start. Here they come. They're off. Good start for them all. Between horses, Moose Madness left. Staying strong as they are out from mid-pack. INUKCHUK. On the far outside is Majestic Mistress. Then from between horses is PETROSSIAN AS. Down on the inside, in behind a crowd, is DEFI Normand. On the far outside is WINDSONGMUSCLELADY. It's a tight pack. And then we come back to On the Road to Be and Elusive Action and Major Matter. Heading to the opening quarter. On the inside, INUKCHUK. And there's Majestic Mistress on the outside. Majestic Mistress takes the lead. Off stride coming to the quarter was PETROSSIAN AS. In third now is Moose Madness. Fourth is Staying Strong. Parked on the outside, fifth, WINDSONGMUSCLELADY. DEFI Normand on the inside, saving ground through an opening quarter mile in 30 seconds flat. Farther back of the field, Marohn Jr. and On the Road to Be, who's 7 lengths from the top as they march to the opening half mile. Then it's 2.5 to Elusive Action, Major Matter, and after the break, PETROSSIAN AS trails in 10th, about 11 lengths from the lead. The leader, Majestic Mistress, ranging up on the outside. WINDSONGMUSCLELADY's been out since the start, trying to get to the top, and the half mile was 59.4. 29.4 second quarter. WINDSONGMUSCLELADY on the outside at 10-1. But Majestic Mistress and Scott Zeron looks to stand his ground at the inside. A gap of 2 to the one-time leader, INUKCHUK. And now off stride went WINDSONGMUSCLELADY. WINDSONGMUSCLELADY on a gallop. Tetrick and Moose Madness not far behind in third. Dube and Staying Strong well within striking range fourth. In fifth is DEFI Normand, moves to the outside along with On the Road to Be, who set up shop third over. Gap of 3 to Elusive Action. 4 back to Major Matter. They went 3 quarters, 129.3, 29.4 in the third quarter. It's about 6 lengths back trotting is WINDSONGMUSCLELADY, and far out of it is PETROSSIAN AS. Up the backstretch, Majestic Mistress, a tough customer. Staying Strong on the outside, now the late challenge toward the inside. INUKCHUK third, second over. DEFI Normand is a threatening presence in fourth. Fifth and behind rivals is Moose Madness locked in. Third over into the vanguard is On the Road to Be. Fourth over is Elusive Action. 7 from the top. They went the mile in 1:59.4. 30-1 fourth quarter breather there. Majestic Mistress 3 wide is DEFI Normand closing in. Between horses, Staying Strong, and they're in the stretch. Majestic Mistress in deep water now. Here's DEFI Normand toward the inside, INUKCHUK, and on the far outside, here's On the Road to Be, finishing well late in the game. Staying Strong between rivals in the deep stretch. It's going to be DEFI Normand. Yes! Majestic Mistress, and then came On the Road to Be. Staying Strong in fifth, INUKCHUK.